Next, we'll need to set up a domain so that we can actually access the app on the internet. So let's close out of this tab here, click into Domains at the top, and click on Add Domain. Here you can enter your domain, or you can generate a domain using this button here. We set up our DNS records earlier, so I'll type in my domain here. That's going to be myvpsdemo.cloud. Let's scroll down to the bottom here and toggle on our security certificate. For the provider, we'll do Let's Encrypt again. And before you click on Create, let's quickly talk about the container port. Right now, it's currently set to the default value of 3000, which works perfectly for me since I'm deploying a Node.js app. Just keep in mind that the port number may be different depending on the type of application you're running. If you're using Node.js, you can leave this set to 3000 since that's the most common configuration. With that done, let's go down and click on Create. And now we've linked our web app to a domain. To make sure that everything is working properly with our DNS settings, click on Validate DNS. This shows that our DNS settings are valid and that everything is working properly.